birthday to our little Jaden! Ang message ko is, sana lumaki kang mabuting tao and I can't wait to see you grow up. Happy birthday, Jaden! I'm your Ate Janelle.
I'm Ate Syla. Sana maging masunurin ka sa parents mo, lalo na kay mama, lola.
Ang wish lang namin sa iyo na lumaki ka ng mabait, magalang, may takot sa Diyos na bata. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Jaden!
Happy birthday, Jaden!
Loving life, so I'ma swipe right. Pack a smile for a new day, turn over a new page. Man, I'm really on that new way. There's no ceiling when you stop believing. I'ma say it with my soul, singing ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-ba-da, ba-ba-da-ba. And I was like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go. I feel like, whoa, life is good for my soul. Used to think that I know. Every day I keep moving forward. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-ba-da, ba-ba-da-ba.
Hi, baby! Happy birthday! So, ngayong 1-year-old ka na, baby. Hopefully, sana maging healthy ang paglaki mo. Sana maging, ano ba?
Doktor.
Di mo kami makakasama ng daddy mo. So, at least nandiyan si lola mo para alagaan ka, bantayan ka. And so, maging healthy ka sa paglaki mo.
Hi baby, akin lang naman, sana magiging malusog ka at paglaki mo at saka hindi ka magiging pasaway kagaya.
Huwag mo na
Yan lang
pasakit
naman.
ng ulo ng lola mo.
Yan lang. Salamat.
I
na
love you,
dumating
baby!
ka. I love you.
It's okay for you to let it go. You ain't gotta do it on your own. You can sing along with me like ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Happy first birthday, Jaden! We love you! Hi, baby Jaden! Happy birthday!
Happy first birthday, Jaden.
Happy birthday, Jaden!
And I was like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go. I feel like, whoa, life is good for my soul. Used to think that I know. Every day I keep moving forward.
Happy birthday! My dearest po, ang aking alaga. 1-year-old na siya ngayon. Napaka-gwapo at napaka-makulit na apo. Pero mahal na mahal ko siya at siya ang bago kong love life ngayon.
Happy birthday, Jaden! Sana lumaki ka ng malusog, saka mapagmahal kay mama, papa mo, saka especially kay mama, daddy, sa maging mabuting bata.
Happy birthday, Jaden! I can't wait na lumaki ka na. We're gonna wait hanggang makita namin ang progress ng paglaki mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit!
I feel like, whoa, life is good for my soul.